Magkano buko? Tindera ka pa sa kawan.
Hello mga loves! For today's video, we are still here in Coron, and in this video, we will visit Twin Lagoon, Kayangan Lake, and the best crab in Coron. Come on, let's go!
Taray! Oh! Donyang-donya! No, look!
We booked this tour via Klook the Coron Super Ultimate Day Tour with Shipwreck, where you will visit 7 destinations, but in this video, I will only show you Kayangan Lake and Twin Lagoon. Watch my other videos for the rest of the destinations. We chose the option Joiner, and this costs 1,700 pesos per person.
Now you have to explain what the meaning of that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so mabuhay meaning that is welcoming or long live. Or the Filipino way how to win and welcome. Again, mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, once again, my name is Jerlo of Feria. Just call me Lo. Yeah, not high. Lo. We have also 100 islands. Not the numbers of the island. It is because of every sites of attraction here you pay hundreds.
Oh!
Don't worry. So don't worry. It's my responsibility to pay
Okay.
it. I have your
Money.
payment or your money.
Credit card info.
Okay, again. Just say hello. Yeah, you just hello. Hello.
Welcome to Coron!
And say your name.
I'm James from London.
And next.
Hi, hello! Welcome to Coron!
I'm Christine from London Bridge.
Isabela Province. Hello!
Welcome to Coron.
Thank you!
I'm Janica from
Philippines.
I'll leave the singing to the Filipinos.
James, you wanna dance?
Maybe later. Even in the UK, we know the Filipinos love to sing and dance.
We're so blessed to have joined such a fun group here in Coron.
Behind that stunning limestone cliff, so it is interconnected small crevice or underwater tunnel right there. So and the water mixtures of Twin Lagoon is 30% or sometimes 20% salt water. Fresh water is 80%. So we call it thermocline water. So when you swim, you can encounter like warm, cold, warm, cold. Maybe 1 hour. Maybe 1 hour because we do kayaking here.
Okay.
Mga loves, I highly recommend that you rent and pay for your kayak before boarding the boat. You can arrange this directly to your tour guide, and it is 1,500 pesos per kayak. You can enjoy this for the entire day, but most especially for your Twin Lagoon experience. At first, I thought it was unfortunate that we were the last ones to ride the kayak, but it turned out to be a blessing in disguise.
Kaya niyo pumunta din?
Kakayanin. Carry naman natin to na tayo lang dalawa. Alam jacket naman tayo, kailangan yan.
Kasama sa amin, kuya? Ha? Pwede ba? Oh, safe.
Basta yung humiti ka video ka.
Oo.
Aminin mo.
Ikaw na lang, kuya, dito sa harap ka ba?
Dito po sa likod.
When I travel, I always befriend tour guides or locals and ask them to join us if possible. Why? They know the area better and can help you make the most of your trip. A tip is a small price to pay for an enhanced experience of their place.
Ganda ng Coron! Christine Grace Baquilar!
Kakayak tayo ni kuya. Salamat, kuya.
Sa pagkayak sa amin.
Because of Kuya, we can take pictures and videos better.
Oops! Is it a four-way stop? Ay! Ba't naman tabigi? Andiyan, ang bigat mo daw.
This small tunnel in Twin Lagoon, Coron, is a narrow passageway carved by nature, leading you from one breathtaking lagoon to another. This site feels like stepping into a hidden paradise. This moment captures the magic of Coron at its finest.
Sinong bababa, ikaw? Siya. Ay, ako kuya, cute yun.
Kuya offered to get off the kayak and swim a distance away from us so he could take our video while we were kayaking. A great idea indeed.
Ha! Sa Boracay? Training ground lang pala ang Boracay. Huwag ka ng crow. Si Kuya may paikot.
Human drone.
I'm sorry.
Look at the girl. Oh. Good job, baby girl.
Bababa.
Let's watch it again. It's very amusing. Let me just show off my videos kayaking, mga loves.
Hindi ganda ng background. Papakita. Akala ko naman sinapin mo ko. Ganda.
Did you hear that sound of a tiyanak? Let's look for it. Let's play it again and search for that eerie sound. Diyos ko, si Angelica pala yun. Thank you, Kuya Stephen, for these wonderful pictures.
Talo, ma'am, talo. Sige po.
Pangit naman. Sa buwan ng baba. Kung nasa may tubig. Pwede ba hindi na makakain ng oyster? Parang hindi ko muna oyster.
Bawal po.
Bawal? Bayaran ko yung kilo makuha ko. Lahat ng puntahan namin walang oyster.
Yung ano? Wala na po yung
May
laman.
gutom. Nakarecord pa pala yan? May masama ako. Pamuli na bala. Ano naman na oyster? Uy, Ari ko. Galit sila sa'yo. Hindi lang akong kanta ako. Talaga.
So, mababa
Sige,
tayo.
anong drama mo? Sabi lang ayoko na eh. Ayoko na. Kaya feeling ano naman. Long-legged. Ayan. Wow! Siyempre, ako na nga sa Boracay. Tapos, tignan may kubo sa likod ko. Uy, nag-vlog ako. Like, binigyan ng maganda-gandang tip kanina. Kuya, i-like mo sa YouTube Dapat mag-subscribe ka. Christine Oyos. O-Y-O-S. Vlog. May Boracay doon. Ano pangalan mo kaya?
Stephen.
Stephen. Okay. Gano'n ka nakatagal dito sa Coron?
Almost 3 years na po ako nagsusurvey.
Oh. Sinong nag-ano sa inyo? Per company o government?
Company.
Company.
Hindi ko kasi sa Coron number kami. Agency kami.
Agency, okay.
Marami pong agency dito.
Oo. So, si Kuya Stephen. Yan. Ang aming magaling na bangkero cameraman. human drone. Ay, nalala mo yung who's making noise.
Sino na yun?
Ay, hindi mo
Sino
kilala?
na teacher yun?
Ay, yan, Diyos ko, papunta dito para sa Talaba. Pinili. May Talaba ka naman na daw kasi. Hindi mo kailangan Talaba. Hanggang kumakain nun. Uy, kagaya din yan. Maalit-alit din. Agawan pa natin si Shira. Uy, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo. Good idea. Hindi tayo namamram. Diba? Sila nga eh. Napagod sama ko nung panaginip ka. Ay, huwag mo ako sa videographer na. daming role. Hi! Nice music there. Buti sila party. Ang lungkot ng Jackster. Jackster, stop! Saan ka eh? Huwag dito. Pupunta sa akin.
Justin, marami ba? Naparami? Okay lang.
Konti.
Pantay.
Pakidagdagan
Pantay
yung
naman.
sasya na
Pakidagdagan.
Pakidagdagan. Ano ba? Konti. Mangingitim na dyan. Ano ba? Init na init. She's hot daw kasi new hair. James. This is our new friend, James.
Hi, Jay.
So, ito na. Kayangan Lake. Kailangan mag-hike. I have to do the hike. Gusto lang naman namin makita ng lake. Bakit kailangan mag-hike? Alang-alang sa kayang. Kayangin. Cardio to. Cardio. Nasa 1/4 pa lang daw tayo. 1/4?
To stop over for picture taking and to see this wonderful view.
Pag may tika video, lumalande. Where are you at right now?
Ayan. Hawaii.
Oh, ano to kayangan? Yay.
Ang dami mong ano, ang dami mong life vest. Ang dami mong life vest.
Joji! Joji! Napakahalang ng bitukan ng asawa mo.
Thank you.
Ay, dito yung nag-ano, yung bote.
Uy, magpaano na tayo?
Continue.
course, let's have some coconut, the perfect refreshment after that hike and incredible experience at Kayangan Lake. If you're in Coron and have a sweet tooth, don't miss the best crepe in town at Matthews Island Crepe. For 2 nights in a row before heading back to our hotel at night, we buy crepe. Angelica likes mango while I prefer the combination of banana and mango. Their prices range from 150 to 280 pesos. Let's watch them doing it, mga loves. Their crepe comes with ice cream and I usually order extra almond nuts for extra crunch. On our second night after the tour, we tried our hotel's traditional hilot massage. And for me, it was just okay. It felt like the masseuse was rushing. Watch my vlog about our hotel here in Coron. We enjoyed our stay here. Thank you for watching, mga loves! Don't forget to check out my other videos about Coron for more tips and helpful information if you're planning your vacation here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Love you!